You know, a couple years ago, when I used to be a Boy Scout, we used to go camping here. 3 nights, 4 nights. Ever since, this is where I used to go. Tapos, I shout my problems to the world. Tapos wala na. Tapos I go home.
Mama, I hate you! Papa, I hate you! Mama, Papa, I hate you both! I hate the world! Mama, I hate you! Papa, I hate you! Mama, Papa, I hate you both! I hate the world!
Wish I was a bird. I'd warm you in my wings. Safe from all the storms. You know true love can rain. But I'm not a bird, and wishes can just fly away, my love. And I'll never
Jimmy!
be afraid
Hi!
of who I am and who
O tara, let's go. Uwi na tayo.
Why?
Anong bakit? Ang yaya ko naka-handcuffs. Ang papa at mama ko, pag nalamang wala ako, magwawala. Especially my papa.
Buti ka pa may papa. Ako wala akong papa eh.
Ano?
Wala. What I mean is, may papa ako pero anak ako sa labas. Sorry, I like you ulit po.
O tara, let's go. Let's go home na.
Huwag na tayong malis. Dito lang tayo.
Ano? Why?
Oh?
Di mo pala alam eh. Next time na lang. When you know na why, balik na lang tayo sa lugar na to. Tapos, let's talk about it, okay? For the meantime, uwi na muna tayo.
But I'm happy with you here.
Happy din ako, Jimmy, pagkasama kita. Kaya lang, pag nawala tayo, ang daming magiging unhappy. Unfair, di ba? Let's go na.